Now more than ever is a time to celebrate the simple joys of life. To get creative. And share something special with those we love. Now is a time to work a little magic. And create moments that will shine bright in our memory.
One more surprise. Guys, look.
Craft a summer night to remember with Paper Pumpkin Summer Nights Kit and add-on. The Summer Nights add-on contains 24 card bases and envelopes, perfect for expanding the Summer Nights crafting experience in the July Paper Pumpkin Kit. Talk to your demonstrator or visit StampinUp.com to get yours.